Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to enable the PlayStation 5 filter for your Instagram, where you can take your PlayStation box and place it in a video or a photo to prank your friends. So let's open up your Instagram app. Create an Instagram story by tapping on the camera icon at the top left. Then tap on Browse Effects by swiping all the way to the right. Now search for the Ps5 box. Then select the one that says Ps5 box from AR1 Everything. From here you can try it or save it to your effect gallery. I'll go ahead and save it to my effect gallery. Then get back to your Instagram story. Select the Ps5 filter from the bottom menu. You'll notice a Ps5 box appear on the camera view. You can resize, turn or move the box wherever you like by pinching or tapping on the location you want the Ps5 box. Once you're happy, record your video or take a photo. If you want to save it to post on other social media platforms, then download it to your phone. Once you're happy with it, share it to your story and start pranking your friends. And there you go guys, that is how to get the new Ps5 box filter in Instagram. Hope this has been useful to you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.